You're watching Tech Vibe, the channel where we take a close look at tech and share what it's really like to use in the real world. Today we're talking about the Garmin Enduro 3. This watch is built for endurance athletes, adventurers, and people who want battery life that just won't quit. It's made for those who spend more time outside than inside, and need gear that can handle anything. When you first put on the Enduro 3, it feels solid but surprisingly light for its size. Garmin has used premium materials so it's tough enough for harsh environments, yet comfortable enough to wear all day. The build is rugged, with reinforced buttons, a durable bezel, and a strap that's strong but still soft on the skin. The water resistance makes it ready for rain, snow, and swims without worry. The display is bright, clear, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. That's important for outdoor training, whether you're running, hiking, or cycling. It's a memory in pixel display, which isn't flashy like AMOLED, but it's extremely power efficient and visible in almost all conditions. The always-on mode means your stats are always in view without lifting your wrist. Now let's talk about performance, because that's where the Enduro 3 shines. This is a watch designed for extreme endurance. You can track ultra-long runs, multi-day hikes, and long-distance cycling without thinking about recharging. The GPS is fast to lock on and accurate, even in areas with dense trees or tall buildings. You get multi-band GNSS for better tracking in tough locations. The battery life is one of the biggest selling points. Depending on how you use it, you can get weeks out of a single charge. Even with GPS tracking on 4 hours every day, it still lasts far longer than most smartwatches. Solar charging on sunny days can extend it even more, making it ideal for multi-day adventures. The Enduro 3 is packed with training features. You can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen, VO2 max, recovery time, and more. There are advanced performance metrics for runners, cyclists, and triathletes. You also get navigation tools like breadcrumb trails, route planning, and turn-by-turn guidance, which are essential for exploring unfamiliar trails. For everyday use, it still functions like a smartwatch. You can get notifications, control music, check the weather, and monitor sleep. It's not trying to replace your phone, but it keeps you connected enough when you're out in the wild. The interface is simple once you get used to button-based navigation, which works perfectly when your hands are sweaty or you're wearing gloves. Durability is another highlight. The Enduro 3 can handle impacts, dust, heat, and water without any problem. Whether you're mountain biking, rock climbing, or trail running in the rain, you don't have to worry about it failing. It's made for people who put their gear through serious challenges. At the end of the day, the Garmin Enduro 3 is all about going further and lasting longer. It's for those who don't just train for an hour but for those who push for hours, days, and even weeks. If you need a watch that can keep up with your endurance lifestyle, this one is hard to beat. That's it for this review. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where we keep things simple and real so you can make the best choice for your tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the gear that matters.